Number 7, the mantis shrimp, the animal that sees colors. You can't even imagine. You think you see color? You have 3 color receptors in your eyes. Red, green, blue. Everything you've ever seen in your entire life is built from those 3. The mantis shrimp has 16 color receptors, which means it perceives colors that don't even have names in human language. Colors your brain is literally not built to process. But that's not even the scary part. Its punch travels at the speed of a bullet. In water, it hits so fast that the water around its fist boils for a fraction of a second from the pressure. It can shatter aquarium glass. It has killed prey larger than itself with a single strike. So we have a tiny shrimp that can see colors from another dimension and punch like a firearm. Nature said, yes, this is fine, but this is just the beginning. Number 6, the immortal jellyfish, the only animal that can cheat death. Every living thing on Earth follows the same rule. You're born, you grow, you age, you die. Turritopsis dohrnii didn't get that memo. This tiny jellyfish, smaller than your pinky fingernail, can reverse its own aging process. When it gets old, sick, or injured, it sinks to the ocean floor and transforms itself back into a juvenile state. Then it grows up again. Then it does it again, over and over, potentially forever. Scientists call it biological immortality. It doesn't mean it can't be killed. Predators, disease, accidents can still end it. But left alone, there is no evidence it would ever die of old age. It is the only known animal on Earth that has cracked the code of immortality. And we almost didn't notice it because it's the size of a small grape. It gets even stranger. Number 5, the axolotl, the animal that refused to grow up. Most amphibians go through metamorphosis. They're born in water, they develop, they grow legs, they move to land. Basic biology. The axolotl looked at that plan and said, absolutely not. It keeps its gills. It stays in water. It never fully transforms into an adult form, even when it's fully mature and reproducing. Scientists call this neoteny, basically staying in a permanent juvenile state for life. But here's the part that crosses into science fiction. If you cut off an axolotl's leg, it grows back perfectly. If you damage its heart, it regenerates. Its spinal cord, its jaw, parts of its brain, all regenerable. No scarring, no infection, just new parts. Scientists are studying its DNA right now, hoping to unlock regeneration abilities for humans. This pink, smiley, baby-faced creature living in Mexican lakes might literally hold the key to regrowing human organs. Number 4, the platypus, nature's biggest design mistake, or joke. When European scientists first saw a platypus specimen in 1799, they thought someone was pranking them. A beaver body, a duckbill, webbed feet, a beaver tail, venomous ankle spurs on the males. They literally accused the person who sent it of sewing different animals together. But it gets weirder. The platypus lays eggs. It's a mammal that lays eggs. It has no stomach. Food goes straight from the esophagus to the intestine. It doesn't have nipples. It sweats milk through its skin, and babies lick it off. And it hunts using electroreception. It detects the electrical fields produced by its prey's muscle movements. It hunts with its eyes closed, using a sixth sense. The platypus is what happens when nature runs out of ideas and just starts combining random things to see what survives. And this one is even more shocking. Number 3, the mimic octopus, the master of 1,000 identities. Most animals have one defense: run, hide, sting, spray. The mimic octopus has a different strategy entirely. It becomes something else. Discovered in 1998 off the coast of Indonesia, this octopus can physically reshape its body and alter its color to impersonate other animals in real time. Lionfish, flatfish, sea snakes. It studies what predator is approaching and then transforms into that predator's natural enemy. Let that sink in. It doesn't just camouflage, it acts. It mimics behavior, movement, and shape simultaneously. No animal in known history has been documented doing this on-the-fly threat assessment and identity switching. It's not instinct. Researchers believe it involves active decision-making. A boneless sea creature is out here doing tactical threat analysis and identity fraud. Number 2, the tardigrade, the animal that can survive literally everything. Boil it, freeze it, shoot it into the vacuum of space, bombard it with radiation that would kill every other living thing on Earth. The tardigrade survives. This microscopic, 8-legged, chubby little creature, nicknamed the water bear, is the most indestructible animal ever discovered. It can survive temperatures from near absolute zero to over 300 degrees Fahrenheit. It can go without food or water for 30 years. It has survived all 5 of Earth's mass extinctions. extinctions. In 2019, a spacecraft carrying thousands of tardigrades crashed on the moon. Scientists believe they may still be alive up there right now, waiting on the moon. And number 1, the pistol shrimp, the animal that creates stars on the ocean floor. This one should not be possible. The pistol shrimp is about 2 inches long, tiny, harmless looking. But when it snaps its claw, something happens that defies explanation. It creates a bubble, a very specific kind of bubble, called a cavitation bubble. That bubble travels at 60 miles per hour. When it collapses, it generates a flash of light, a shock wave, and a temperature spike reaching nearly 8,000 degrees Fahrenheit. For context, the surface of the sun is around 10,000 degrees. A 2-inch shrimp is generating temperatures close to the surface of the sun, on the ocean floor, to hunt, every single day. This phenomenon is called sonoluminescence, turning sound into light. And the pistol shrimp is the only animal known to weaponize it naturally. Scientists still don't fully understand how it works. 7 animals, 7 proof points that nature doesn't follow rules. It writes its own, an immortal jellyfish, a shrimp that sees impossible colors and punches like a weapon, a creature that creates miniature suns in the ocean, an axolotl that holds the key to human regeneration. These animals aren't myths. They're not from another planet. They're here, right now, living alongside us on this strange, unbelievable Earth. And if nature could create all of this without asking our permission, what else is hiding out there that we haven't found yet? If this video made your jaw drop even once, share it. Someone you know needs their mind